Hi guys, I changed my hinges on my old Fortuner DLG. I used medical clear tape, so I hope that my irons won't move in lunchtime. Let's see it. Wow, what a I think it's glide nicer. It's 8 o'clock a.m. and one of my servo in ailerons is not too good, but I think it fly nice. So I thank you, Daniel Banko, that you are suggest this medical tape. Thank you. Ooh. Let's see, my servo is not good. Ooh. I will change it very fast. Ooh. Almost I fly into the tree or landing. Wow, but it would fly nice, but my servo is not good. Oh, what a launch. There are some turbulence. My ailerons in thermal mode with this bad servo. Oh, what a lift. Oh, its hinges is very good. Ooh, what a fly. With this cheap DLG. I will change the servo. Wow, very nice.